Have you noticed cracks in your driveway or sidewalk after a heavy storm? That's not just bad luck, it's science. Rain, flooding, and even temperature changes all affect your home's exterior concrete. From water washing away the soil beneath to the freeze-thaw cycle expanding tiny cracks, the weather is one of concrete's biggest enemies. But don't worry, there are ways to fix it. Let's break down what's happening and how you can fix damaged concrete before it gets worse. When excessive water seeps into the soil, it washes away the very foundation that holds your concrete into place. Once the soil is gone, the concrete settles into the empty space, causing sinking, shifting, and cracking. Uneven surfaces create dangerous tripping hazards, so it's important to inspect your concrete before a big storm. Cold weather can be brutal on concrete, and the freeze-thaw cycle is one of the biggest culprits. Water sneaks into the tiny cracks in the concrete, then expands when it freezes. With each thaw cycle, those cracks get bigger, making the concrete weaker over time. If left unchecked, these can lead to major problems, like unstable driveways, patios, and sidewalks. Damaged concrete doesn't have to be a permanent problem. With the right repair methods, you can restore stability and prevent future issues. Professional repair with polyrenewal polyurethane foam is a fast and effective way to fix concrete damaged by weather. Using polyurethane foam means there's no long wait, and it's a quick 15-minute curing time, means you can get back to your life faster without worrying about a failing repair. Polyurethane foam is the best solution for lifting sunken slabs and stabilizing the soil beneath, ensuring a long-term strength and preventing the crack from reopening. Regular upkeep helps you avoid expensive repairs by catching small issues before they become big problems. Taking care of your concrete now means it will last longer and stay strong for years to come. Weather can be rough on concrete, but the good news, these problems can be fixed before they get out of hand. So don't wait until the small cracks become big headaches. Schedule a free concrete inspection with Groundworks today.